So hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am SuzieQ. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, next. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Well, I am SuzieQ QTingz. I'm gonna go to the things them on Fashion Nova haul. So I totally forgot that I ordered some stuff from Fashion Nova, and here it is. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul of that, try on some stuff and see what is what. Another thing I want to say, thank you guys for letting me reach 1,000 views and more. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys continue to be watching my videos and subscribe and click the notification bell, you know, for when I'm having another video up. But I do appreciate it. I thank you guys so much, so much. And yes, there's a lot more to see and to do on my channel, so let's get into this haul. Okay, so this is the first outfit. I like the green. The green is not too bad at all. This would be good for like carnival, caravana, jump up kind of thing. I like the little half the shoulder right here. I like the details on the back. It kind of make it cute. Yes, but right here I don't like the little gather thing here. Like, you know, I got my kangaroo pouch, like, hello people. But otherwise from that, it is cute, you know, for caravana, for jump up, for whatever, even at the clubbing. But otherwise it is a cute little outfit. Like, yeah, but just here is just the little gather thing right here. But the color is really nice. Like, I like the color on my complexion. It's a lime green thing. Hello. Yes. The top, next. Fashion Over. So the shorts I had from before, and I think I got it from Tristan. I can't remember, but I'll leave it in the description down below. But these I got from Shoppers Drug Mart. They're like nipple covers, and this top was a little bit revealing of my, you know, tatas. So I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart. You know, you can go get it from like drugstore or wherever that's, you know, laundry store and thing. But it's a cute outfit, you know, for barbecue, for whatever, for casual, whatever, movie night, dinner date, you name it, you can wear it. For jump up, I love the back of it. It's very cute. But yeah, overall, it's a very nice top, cute, you know, casual, and yeah. Next, putting on this spandex rubber looking pant was a workout. I sweat. This is an extra small, so definitely don't get a size down, get a size up, because the foot area here is tight. Oh no, this is not going to work. I am dying. Like, here, in between here, it ain't gonna make it, not at all. But don't forget, guys, to subscribe, share, and like. Don't forget to click the notification bell. But these pants, with this teddy, I don't know. The crotch part is kind of long. I like the detailing up here. It's kind of cute. The back part is okay. You know, it has some detailing at the back there. I use my rope to kind of, you know, cover up a bit, because, you know, you gotta kind of keep it clean. But other than, between Fashion Nova and Shein, I kind of like Shein stuff them a little bit, because Fashion Nova, they're all one size fit all, but everything fits differently. So if you're more of like a taller person, then yeah, maybe this will fit you nicely. The top part area, it fits good, but then when it comes down to the bottom part area, it says something else. But this you can wear with jeans again, with a shorts, you know, you can wear it to bed. Like, it doesn't necessarily has to be like set for bed alone, but you can wear it out also. But yeah, this is it. This one, you can button it from here. I didn't, you know, just to give it a little bit of swag to it. It's cute. It has a little lace here. The back part is like that. And yeah, actually I prefer this one than the burgundy one, because this one has a bit more cover up and thing. But otherwise, from that, this is like cute. You can wear these again with the jeans to bed, wherever, whatever you want to do. The material is nice. The material is not too bad, you know. It comes down to here, is sheer down here and thing. And yeah, this is it. This is it, people. Okay, so that was it for the fashion haul. This was the last one. I tried it on, and no, I will not be showing this on YouTube because it's too revealing. And when you do it like this, I have to find a picture of Fashion Nova model to kind of put it up on the screen somewhere. But it's very cute. It's very sexy, overly sexy. But yeah, this is the last one that I got, but I tried it and I said no. But anyway, guys, that was a little bit of Fashion Nova haul. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Click the notification bell. And then thanks again, guys, for my 1,000 subscribers. And I will see ya soon.